What if I told you that your thoughts alone could be the difference between success and failure? Most people spend their lives dreaming, but never take action. Why? Because they don't realize the secret power of their own mind. Today, I'm revealing how you can reprogram your brain for success and turn your dreams into reality, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rosemary, and I help you unlock your full potential with mindset, habits, and success strategies. If you're ready to go from dreamer to achiever, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. The power of thoughts. Why your mind shapes your reality. Here's something most people don't realize: your thoughts literally shape your world. Everything you've ever achieved, or failed to achieve, started in your mind first. Your brain is a magnet. The reticular activating system, ROS, in your brain filters what you focus on. If you constantly think, "I'm not good enough," your brain will find proof of that. But if you think, "Opportunities are everywhere," guess what? You'll start seeing them. Real-life examples. One, Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty, but she trained her mind to believe in her future success. 2. Elon Musk wasn't born a billionaire, he imagined possibilities that no one else saw. You have the same power. It all starts with your thoughts. The number one mistake people make, and how to fix it. Most people get stuck dreaming because they're waiting for the perfect moment. Guess what? That moment never comes unless you create it. Here's the fix. Pair thoughts with action. 1. Thoughts without action equals daydreaming. 2. Action without direction equals wasted effort. 3. Thoughts plus action equals unstoppable success. Absolutely. Thoughts plus action equals unstoppable success. Your mindset sets the direction, but action is the fuel that gets you there. You can visualize success all day, but without taking steps toward it, it remains just a dream. I saw myself owning a successful business, so I learned how to build my own online store. I wanted a successful YouTube channel, I started uploading daily, and now my channel is growing every day. Thank you all, this really works. Think big, start small, define your goal clearly. Instead of just dreaming about success, write it down as a specific, actionable target. Visualize and believe, see yourself achieving it. Feel the success before it happens. Your brain will start working toward making it real. 3. Take consistent action. Even the smallest step today moves you closer than doing nothing. Action builds momentum. Dream it. Believe it. Do it. That's how unstoppable success happens. Example. 1. Instead of just thinking about starting a business, take one small step today. 2. Instead of wishing for success on YouTube, film your first video now. 3. Instead of hoping to get fit, do 10 push-ups right now. Success doesn't come from wishing, it comes from moving. The formula to turn thoughts into reality. Here's a 3-step blueprint to make your thoughts work for you. Get crystal clear on your goals. One. Vague dreams get vague results. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to make $10,000 a month by date. The clearer, the better. Visualize and feel it daily. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined success. See it, feel it, believe it. The stronger the emotion, the stronger the impact. Take micro actions every day. No matter how small, take one step daily toward your goal. Small steps compound into massive success. Action challenge. Right after this video, take one small action toward your biggest goal. Then, comment below what you did. Now you know the secret. Your thoughts create your reality, but only when paired with action. Stop dreaming, start doing. Subscribe for more success tips. Follow me for daily motivation. What's the first action you're taking today? Drop it in the comments. Let's hold each other accountable. This video was sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. Thanks for watching.